Hello all, it's Sharon. In today's video I'm back with the final part of me setting up my son's art supplies and homeschool area. So the art shelf is pretty much done. We do have some stuff down here that we've been using this last week, so I have to put those items away, but everything else is pretty well organized now. So I'm going to quickly put these last items away, and then I'll take you over to the homeschool area and show you what that's looking like. So this is what the art shelf is looking like. We do have two glue guns. One's for like the standard glue, and then the other one is for the glitter glue. It's got tapes. There's a bunch of post-it notes and glitters in there. Some Play-Doh, stapler up there. There's another little stapler up here. No, actually that's the hole punch. Some stapler here, little mini hole punches, some dot markers. A lot of these drawing pens, these felt tip pens are mine. I like to sketch and draw, but Nate, I let him use them too. Then we have a whole bunch of different markers and twistable crayons and glue. And as you come up here, there is some supplies for Play-Doh and some sensory items, some watercolors. In here I put the scented markers. There's like paint markers or other scented markers back there from Dollarama, scented crayons. We have our puffy fabric paints, some stamps, the finger paint and that glitter paint I put back there. And then we have our other paints all from like Dollarama up in this little Lazy Susan. We have some wash cups. There's some stir sticks and paintbrushes in there. And then when you come up here, there's some art books and supplies, construction paper, Play-Doh cutters, some art kits, feathers, pipe cleaners, and some bubble wrap. So I'll just take you over to the homeschool area now. So we are just finishing up our space unit. So we still have the space mobile of the solar system up here, and then we have a solar system poster, and then we have our little cork board with some things up there. And then all of Nate's workbooks are on this top part of the shelf. These are the main workbooks that we use. So what I like to do is do maybe 1 or 2 pages in each book each day, just so keep it updated. And then I also have another book that has like tests in it that I'll like sometimes do in our morning basket. But yeah, so we do 1 or 2 pages in each of these books. And then we have the ball books down here, all the sets of the ones I have. And then these are some decorations that Nate has, Marvin the Martian and the child. And this is a little NASA Hot Wheels car. And then he has this little light. I don't know if you can tell in the back. Probably not. Maybe if I had my light off. But that lights up little star pattern on the back of his shelf here. And as we come down here, we have some science stuff. And then over here is just some extra supplies that we might need. I put in like stuff like paper clips and pins, and his time and money cards are in there, and some playing cards, so we left that in there. This we've been playing as a little game together, usually during lunch. It's this moon that has these wooden blocks to go on. It's a moon balance. And then I have his counting chips from the Dollar Tree. And then over here on this side, I have some scented paints, crayons. And then his jumbo, like Gorilla crayons are in this container. His abacus is there. There also is this poster, so we can move this stuff when we're looking at the poster. But it's just a poster from the Dollar Tree of the solar system. And then all his other supplies are in here that he likes to use. And then we have some Gorilla markers here. And then as you just come around, the calendar is here, so he likes to update it daily and change it around. Then we have a little notepad that says September, so if I have to add any notes, I can just quickly write it on there. Dry erase marker, a little earth magnet, an N and an S that my mom made us. And then as you come over here, this is our Workboxes. I did a video about that yesterday, so I'll link it down below if you want to see what's in our Workboxes. But we have some scissors here, and little tongs, and magnifying glasses, a little dropper. And then up here is just some words that we've been going over. I just printed it off the internet. There's an art piece that Nate made. And then this is our morning basket, so I'll probably do a separate video on that. probably maybe tomorrow. And then, like I said, these are all our work boxes. And he does have a little white chair from IKEA. So yeah, this is our new homeschool setup for the year 2023 to 2024. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care and bye for now.